my name is Sunny. I work for Data Image. I'm account manager here. Data Image has been mainly focused on outdoor rugged display with wide temperature and UV resistant solution for over 10 years. Our major TFT products are with optical bonding capacitor touch, which have been widely used for following applications: leisure marine industrials, spatial vehicle multifunction terminal. Another one is outdoor HMI, such as DC EV charging, outdoor kiosk payment, transportation information display. Data Image outdoor solution can meet and pass all shock, vibration, salty fog, bending test, drop intake test, and UV test requirements you might need. Any harsh outdoor environment spec that you need, we are confident that the Data Image solution can meet. Data Image has been joined the Keystar Group in 2018. We can capture more resources from our enterprise, such as DFI for the ICT industrial, providing embedded HMI solutions for our customer, which creates a win-win solution to the business. I believe that the Data Image and the DFI can be your great partner to you for your display needs, and look forward to the opportunity to discuss in more detail our total solution for outdoor rugged environments.